So, if you really want to write good, if you want to be a writer, if you want to write your essay, your articles, your summary, everything you want to make impressive, there are certain rules you need to follow. Actually, these are not rules, these are certain things you have to realize yourself. When you are talking about something, you want to describe something, usually what you do that you use simple sentences, and in simple sentence you want to tell about something. Like if you're describing a room, you are saying the room was messy. Okay, so here you are just giving your reader not an insight into the whole affair. You are just talking about you are giving information that room was messy. But when you show them by your writing, when you explain them, when you try to take them inside that whole thing, you want to let them understand that what was happening there. If you want to give the real picture rather than only telling that what was happening there, you don't find any flavor, any excitement. So you have to show them, you have to present by your writing. It should be like that. So when you say that the room was messy, you can describe uh, you know in a wide way by inserting lots of adjectives. You can say the room was you can say that the there were lots of pieces of paper strewn here and there, and the used cup or the dirty cups and plates were, they were on the bed. Or you can say the leftover pieces of pizza were, scattered all over. So here what you are doing, that you are just letting them understand that this was the real condition of the room. Same way, if you are talking about a woman, you say that this woman is confident. So you're just giving a line about that woman, telling that woman was confident, but you are not actually showing her real attitude, how she was behaving at that way. What did you notice from her behavior? So we would say that the women are free spirited, she was very confident, she was outspoken, she was independent. A lot of words can be inserted to show that in that particular moment she was looking quite